Your quads are powerful muscles which constantly work while running. That's why it's super important to stretch them. Stretching the quads is generally speaking recommended to improve flexibility and to reduce the risk of injury. After a workout which focuses especially on the lower body, it's beneficial to do quad stretches. Before stretching, make sure that your muscles are warm. Increase the tension step by step and be careful, avoiding fast movements. Never stretch over your own limit. Try to get a feeling for your body. How to do a quad stretch? Stand straight, lift up one leg and bend it. The knee of that leg is facing down. If you easily get off balance, hold on with one hand equal to a wall. Grab your foot with your hand on that side. Pull your heel gently toward your butt. Now you should feel a stretch in your quad already. The standing leg is straight and try to keep your knees as close together as possible. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Release and repeat. Switch legs and repeat on the other leg. Let's stretch each leg for 30 seconds together. If you enjoyed this video, just hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel to not miss another video. I would be happy to see you soon again.